Suppose best example, you have 10 activities are there. You require to do all these activities. Okay, bigger activities. You started first activity and then you started next. After completing that, you will go to the second. After completing that, you will go to the third. After completing that, you will go to the fourth. If you are responsible to do all these activities, first one, and then second one, and then third one, and then fourth one, it may take, assume that 1 year time. Assume bigger activities, 1 year time. 1 year time. Now, can you please observe? Once this batch got completed, then only you can think about next one. You are responsible for all the 10 activities. Assume scenario 1. Scenario 2. How beautiful. Observe that. Scenario 2. You are not responsible to do any activity. Just you are responsible to coordinate that. You are not responsible to do any activity. What you can do is identify right whos. And for every activity, identify right who. In the first 1 week, first activity to one right who. Second activity to another right who. Third activity, another right who. Just you require to monitor, you require to track. Then the work is going to be completed within 1 month or 2 months only. You are not required to wait to 2 years time or 1 year time. Which approach is the easy approach? Which approach is more productive approach? Which approach is going to save your time, save your energy, which is going to provide excellent growth for you? Doing everything on your own or delegating to the right who's. Getting the point? So delegate, identify the right who and delegate. Don't waste your time on every activity. Where you are strong, there only you require to spend the time. Rest of the things, I'm not responsible, man. My right who's are there, those who's are going to take care. Like that, you require to plan. This is the mindset you people require to build. Most valuable points, man. This thing is going to improve your productivity like anything. If you do a small correction, this thing is going to change your mindset. This thing is going to provide excellent growth, more pleasant, happiness. All these things by default will be there. Please make sure you should aware.